Installation of the floating vanity bracket for a wood stud application. The floating vanity bracket system utilizes a modular design to accommodate a variety of applications. The installation method varies based on your application and cabinet size. Please review these directions carefully before beginning installation. Locate the center brace, the channel nuts, and the half-inch bolts. Loosely attach channel nuts to each end of the center brace with the half-inch bolts, positioning the channel nuts inside the brace with the bulges down. Slide a rail onto the channel nuts on each end of the center brace. Locate one of the bracket arms and orient it with the arrows up and away. Loosely attach a channel nut to the arm through the holes toward the rear of the arm, positioning the channel nut below the bracket arm with the bulges down. Repeat for each remaining arm. Add the bracket arms to the rail assembly by sliding the channel nuts into the channels on each end of the rail assembly. Align the outside edge of the bracket arms with the ends of the rails and tighten the bolts with a T30 screwdriver. If you are using the system at or near its maximum width, extend the arms 5/8 inch beyond the ends of the rails before tightening. Place the cabinet on its back on a stable work surface. Place the rail assembly inside the cabinet and slide the bracket arms against the cabinet sides. Align the top edge of the assembly with the top edge of the cabinet sides. If the cabinet has plywood or hardwood sides, locate the half-inch wood screws. Use an impact and a Phillips drive bit to drive a half-inch wood screw through each hole in the bracket arm. Repeat for each remaining arm. If the cabinet has MDF or particle board sides, locate the 5mm Euro screws. Use a drill and a 5mm drill bit to drill holes through two of the holes in the bracket arm. Use an impact and a Phillips drive bit to drive a 5mm Euro screw into each of the holes. Repeat for all remaining holes. Repeat for each remaining arm. Move the center brace to the center of the cabinet and tighten all of the bolts. Secure the installer kit inside the cabinet. Using a level as a guide, draw a horizontal line on the wall where the top of the cabinet will be located. Draw vertical lines on the wall where the ends of the cabinet will be located. Use a stud finder to locate wall studs between the vertical marks. Draw a 1-inch vertical line at the center of each stud. Mark the stud center locations on the top edge of the cabinet back. The cabinet should be mounted to the studs nearest the ends of the cabinet. If one of the mounting studs is located between the rails, locate the optional 2-inch stud rail pack. Insert a channel nut with the bulges down into the 2-inch stud rail. Slide the rail into the center brace near the stud center mark. Adjust sideways to align the channel nut holes with the nearest holes in the center brace and secure with bolts. Use a drill and a 5/16" drill bit to drill 2 holes aligned vertically with each mark through the rail V-grooves. Hold the cabinet against the wall, align it with the placement lines, and secure it by driving a structural screw through each of the top holes using an impact with a T30 drive bit. Follow with structural screws through the lower holes. For more information or to find a distributor near you, visit innovashelf.com.